like the website stopped working, but that's no problem. What we will do is we'll just go back to Opensea and we'll just tap the first link that comes up, and that's fantastic. So it seems like we got back in. I don't know why that happened, but you know what? These things happen all the time to websites. So let's maybe just tap one of these, and yeah, we're back in action. Okay, so I think it just happened to one of the tabs. So if something like that happens, don't be too afraid. Just open up another tab and visit the website again. This says, okay, founders coins, bear drops are experimental digital collectibles worth their weight in gold. These will be gifted to OK Bear holders in celebration of key milestones and special occasions. Okay, so there's a oh gosh, there's like a VR bear. This bear looks like it's looking at a scanner from Dragon Ball Z. That's definitely a Rasta bear. This bear looks like it's just wearing a headband. This bear is wearing goggles, kind of. I don't know what kind of bear that is. That's panda. Um, that bear looks Irish. This bear has a flash icon on its cap. That bear is made out of wood. This bear has a tag, but it also looks like it's made out of wood. This seems to be a panda, but kind of, I don't know, brought back from the dead kind of panda. And that's just a bear with a flash cap, but wearing goggles. Then we have a polar bear with a nice little icon on the top of its cap. This bear looks like a grizzly bear. This looks like a raccoon, or I mean that just looks like a raccoon. It's chewing on a videotape, which is quite interesting. But yeah, so then that's very odd. Oh, this bear is crying, and this one has a pencil behind its ear. What other types of? Oh, I don't know whether that's honey or cheese, but this is another founder's coin. If we look closely, you'll see it says 1/4 gram trip quad 9 gold 2022. This one says 1 gram. This one says 1/4 gram. It's kind of weird. Did they forget the? Huh. Okay. I think they forgot the slash, but maybe it's just one of its kind. That is like very interesting. Oh, this one looks like it's on holiday, kind of. This one has Minecraft glasses. Oh, it's a pink bear. And this one says OKB. This is a Rasta one again, but I think compared to the first one, oh, it's completely different. That one's brown and things like that. Okay, I think we've seen enough bears, so let's go on over back and let's check out music. I want to hear some music. So